Hi there once again. Okay, so I'm not going to do a massive long video on this because there's tons of videos on YouTube about this, and this is the 4.2 V8. All I can tell you is the timing belt kits in Germany are getting they're running out. So if you've got a 4.2 V8, you better hurry up and see if you can get one, because I was lucky to kind of get this. Yes, there are still available. It's not totally dried up, but it can be a little tricky. Anyway, so I've got the belt on, brand new. This is a Continental kit with a different brand of water pump, because beggars can't be choosers. And where is the water pump box? Oh, here. Anyway, every part matters. I know who that is, but I'm putting one of them in it. It looks okay. It's got a metal impeller. Anyway, back to it. So I did mine to the book, and I've already turned it over 2 times, and I can get my drill bit in there, okay? 5mm after turning it over twice, okay? So that's okay. Also, I did put the special tool on here. I'll show you it. So special tool, bought from Temu. I don't know, €22. It comes with the crank pin, which worked great. No problem at all with the Temu part, nothing, and it's made a good quality metal, just like I knew it would be. All right, well, that's it really. I mean, I can talk a bit more about it, but I'm just going to put the covers back on, and of course you always check these. Apparently on YouTube they say that these break. Okay, well, mine seem to be okay. Obviously you check everything here, and this is what you do. This is a Phaeton, and well, that's it for now.